This elevator, this is not bougie, honey. Oh no. This is claustrophobic. Oh my. This is like a ride to hell. Oh, the bowels of hell. Here we go. Okay, so we're putting stuff in the front end loader. I've never done this before. Well, of course, I'm not doing it. Alejandra, my assistant, is doing it. How does this device even work? So I'm the Bougie Duchess, and I have just done laundry at the laundromat. Imagine that. Thank you. Bougie Duchess here. This is why I have an assistant. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. The domesticated Duchess. Oh. Here we go. It's finally empty. Now over to the dryers.
Fran?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. But that's got a good blanket.
Yes, that's ours.
Huh?
That's ours.
This has got this other stuff.
This one's from that load.
Oh, okay. I see. Thank you. Are we still filming?
Yeah.
Oh! There we go. Who says you can't wash Persian rugs?
Might want to make that into 2 loads.
Huh?
Might want to make that into 2 loads.
Alrighty.
Swatch your head.
There we go. You'd have thought I would have learned this a long time ago, huh? Oh shit, this is Bo's bedding. It's just tearing apart. But he's been tearing this apart ever since I've had him. You know, I've spent hundreds of dollars on his bedding. He's just always torn it all apart. Oh, that's a rag. Okay. All done.
I'm hoping the blankets aren't waterproof. The blankets, it doesn't wash it right. Might be better off washing that in your facility.
Oh, so I learned something new every day. Alejandra sporting her COVID-19 gear.
2020.
2020, who would have thought? It's kind of grand when you walk into the place. Look at the corridor. It's really nice and pretty. The lanai. It looks beautiful. And if you look to the left here, there's a beautiful swimming pool. There we go. And if you pay real close attention and you look, the homeless encampment. Shopping carts and all.